Are you wondering what to do if your Samsung Galaxy S26 or S26 Ultra doesn't want to connect to a Windows PC or laptop? So for example, check this if I plug both of these together. For example, I see my actually PC even folded. But for example, if I go over here, it's like completely empty here, so we can't access the files. So what you have to do is simply go to your phone and make sure it's unlocked and simply swipe down from this corner here. You will see this option USB for charging phone. Click it once and once more. And you'll see this option here. Use USB for transferring files or also Android Auto. And you see once you actually select it, the phone is actually able to connect, and also I can, for example, go over here and see my images and videos as well. So what if this doesn't actually work? If you connect basically the cable to your PC or laptop, if you swipe down, you for example open this option here, but you do not even have this option available, or it's also like grayed out completely. That most likely means there is something wrong with your cable. So, and you perhaps need to try another cable. So just because, for example, cable is good enough for charging, it doesn't mean it's also good for data transfer. So that is the most common issue. Also, what you can do is you can check the condition of your USB port and see if it's not dirty, if there's nothing inside. Basically, for example, if I turn on my light here, so this is, for example, what a completely clean USB port should look like. If there's maybe some lint or dust, basically somehow maybe from your pockets, again, it can sometimes clog up the charger port, and essentially when you actually insert your cable, it might even be a bit loose as well. So it's simply not going to make proper contact with the pins inside, and it simply won't be good enough for data transfer. So it also might even work a bit for charging, but again, for data transfer, again, we need to actually connect to all these pins basically properly. If it doesn't connect, again, the data transfer simply won't be possible. So yeah, check also that. But again, the most common issue is you simply need to try with another cable, especially a cheap cable, some Chinese cable, again, usually have some problems. Also, maybe if the cable's worn, so it's an old cable as well, it simply stops basically working for data transfer. Again, even if it's good enough for charging, again, doesn't automatically mean it's good enough for data transfer. Okay, good luck.